Welcome to Happy Teachers Academy, where serious online teaching meets serious fun. Our live hands-on training programs are designed to transform your online English teaching skills from the ordinary to the extraordinary.
So here at our academy, we offer training that can unlock any teacher's potential, not only using Classroom, but on other platforms as well.
We're the pioneers of a teaching revolution for kids. Transform your teaching game from meh to OMG with our instructor-led programs. Discover a teaching method that's distinct and effective. Go beyond the cookie-cutter approach. Be effective and captivating. Whether you prefer the camaraderie of group workshops or the undivided attention of one-to-one training, we've got you covered like a perfectly tailored suit.
Sometimes as online teachers, we can become a bit stagnant. And at least with these, it refreshes our skills. It allows us to meet with other teachers and see what they're doing and try that in our class. And yeah, it just keeps things fun and exciting.
Happy Teachers Academy isn't a pit stop. It's your launch pad. We'll make you a business-savvy educator and help you launch an online school or improve your teaching. Sprinkle some stardust on your classrooms and get ready to be creative. Practice activities that'll turn your lessons into a stage of wonders.
We share tips, we share secrets, and just to help our teachers become a community, to share ideas, share activities, and help each other.
Graduating isn't the end. It's just the beginning of your lifelong journey. Enjoy VIP membership, exclusive workshops, hiring assistance, and ongoing support to keep your teaching skills razor sharp. We're not just changing classrooms, we're changing lives.
So here at our academy, we offer training that can unlock any teacher's potential, not only using Classroom, but on other platforms as well.
Happy Teachers Academy, where professionalism meets passion. We're not just educators, we're EDU rock stars. Elevate your teaching journey. Enroll now.
Thank you, everybody. And I will see you all in our next one. Remember, we have a bunch of these. Join us on Facebook, join us on Instagram, find us on the internet, or we will find you. Bye, everyone.